show you how to adjust this machine when you get it before the packing. Yes, let's start. And you first you enter into this main page. Yes, here we choose the language. Sorry, we choose your language. Yes, and then yeah, and the first step for the hiking for the adjustment is to do the collaboration. This page. And the first step of the collaboration is to change this data into 0. Yes, if it is and we do the 0 collaboration. Whether it is 0, we need to press this button and change it to 0 again. And then here you can see this is 500 gram. Because this weight is 500 grams, so this data must be keep the 500 gram. We will do the collaboration to keep them to keep this weight and this weight. This data is keep the same. Yeah, it starts. After do the 0 collaboration here, and we put this weight on the weight. Yes. You can check here, and when this data change into the 500 gram and keep the same with this data, and when it is stable and no any change, then do the weight calibration. Yeah, when it is stable, do the weight calibration. Yes, and let us check it again. Yes. Remove to the weight and change it to the 0 and place this on the weight and change into the 500 gram. Yes, this is right. No, yes. And for the second step, let's set up its parameter of your fan weight of your powder. Yes, such as its target weight is 500 gram. You just need to put this blank, such as your powder is 75 and 150 gram and 300 gram and 700 gram. Because this auger is only suitable for the 300 and 500 and 700 gram. So you need to the data you can put this blank is 300 gram, 500 gram, or the 700 gram. That depends on you. Let's, for example, for the 500 gram. Yes, let's say it's 500 gram. This is a cancel, a delayed bottle, and 500 gram. Yes, our target weight is 500 gram for this example. Sorry, 500 gram. And then please make sure this pulse is less than the 3,000, because if over the 3,000 and your bottle or your bags will have too much powder of this packing machine, from this packing machine. Yes, we have adjusted it to 2,000 for the test its correct pulse, and then we change the working page into the pulse mode. Yes, you can see we set it's 2,000 pulse, and let's start it first. Let's start your first packing and test its right pulse of your powder. Yes, choose this pulse model and then to the start. And this time, before start, you have to move your bags or your bottle here to collect your powder, and then to press the start. Yes. And here, after you start, after you start, you press the start button, and once it's finished, your powder filling, you have to move your bottle or bag on the weight to correct the right pulse of your powder. You can such as the time for when you move the bottle on the weight, it has limited. Such as you set up, you set up 4 seconds. You have to move these bottles on the scale within 4 seconds. Otherwise, this filling is not valid. And the system can read the right pulse of your powder. You can repeat it in order to find the correct pulse of your powder. You can repeat this 3 or 4 times. Yes. When you find the correct correct pulse, this data will be changed into the correct pulse. And then, if you need to, or if its accuracy is not meet your requirement, you want to better, you can press this button, pass mode trimming. Yes, this can change this data, and generally it can be used. And then when you find the correct pulse of your powder, you press this one, pass model, and then start to packing your powder. That's a whole working step for how to adjust the packing machine for different powder, different filling weights. And please